Okay, so my dad and my sister up on the roof, and they threw it on this little bed. See the little bird skull? There's his body. It was like already dead up there. Ew! Look, there's his dead body. Ew! It's separated. That's what used to kill it. Ew! Ew! He was up there for like a year. Ew! That's disgusting. Ew! Ew! Okay, so my sister said that there's two birds. Let's go find my dad's cup. Let's go. Where's my dad's cup? Gotta find my dad's cup. Ew. Look at the dead bird right there. Ew. See that? Ew, that's it. Ew. Ew, wait. Watch out, Jacob. That's a dead bird. Ew. Ew, look at that. Ew. Ew. Is that its blood?
No, that's the duck.
That's a dead bird. Oh, that's nasty.